Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to activate or deactivate system cooling policy in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Processor Power Management. Click and expand System Cooling Policy. Setting is active or passive. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.